This is an example of assignment for employee roster. First step will be to open up a new blank workbook. You're going to save your document by going to the Office button, going to Save As, save it as employee roster, and make sure that you save your work in your EnDrive. Step 2 is to type your business name in cell A1. Make sure to merge and center. You need to bold the business name as well. To merge and center, you're going to select the cell from A through E1. Click on merge and center. After merging and center, you're going to type in the name of the restaurant. The restaurant name is going to be the name that was selected based on the survey from yesterday. Make sure to bold it and then apply a shading to it of your choice. Type employee roster in A2. You might have to make your columns wider. Also merge and center column or row A2 through E2, and then you also need to italicize it. Step 5 is to change the column width for columns A through E to 18. For that, you are going to bring your cursor at the top of column A. Holding down your cursor, you're going to select all of the columns from A through E, and then you're going to bring your cursor to the edge of column E and then you drag it. You can see the width changes, and make sure that it is set on 18. And now you can see that all of the columns have changed their width to 18. Step 6 simply says to type in the headings that shows in the diagram on your spreadsheet document. Step 7 requires you to use all border command to create a border around cell A1 through E20. You're going to bring your cursor to A1, hold it down, and you will select all cells till E20 right here, going here and then selecting all border command. In step 8, you are required to type the information about your employees. You will need 18 or 17 employees. You need to give everyone in this class a title. The titles are listed on your document, on your assignment. If you run out of the names, you can make up names for the remaining spots. Make sure that you spell everyone's name correctly and use capital letters when necessary. Basically, for each person in the class, you're going to assign them a job title based on their ability. The jobs are listed as managers, assistant manager, marketing person, cook, marketing manager, cashier, front desk, finance manager, head waiter, waitress, and waiters and waitresses. Step 9 requires you to enter employee ID in the employee ID column. Basically, employee ID is any 4-digit number that is unique, and you are going to make up that number. Step 11 requires you to make up a phone number for every employee. You need to make sure that every employee has an area code. Feel free to use whatever you want to use for to make up the phone numbers. Once you are done with the spreadsheet, you go back and you resave your document. Make sure that the name of your document stays as employee roster.